as often as I go out. Maybe I didn't treat you quite as good as I swore. If I made you feel second best, when I'm sorry I was blind. You were always on my mind. You were always on my mind. Maybe I didn't hold you. Oh, those lovely times. And I guess I never told you I'm so happy that you're mine. If I made you feel second best, man, I'm sorry I was blind. You were always on my mind. You were always on my mind. Tell me that your sweet love hasn't died, and give me one more chance to keep you satisfied. I keep you satisfied. Little things I should have said and done, I just never took the time. You were always on my mind.